Let's have a quick look at the unit check-in functionality in Black Pearl. So we'll head over to the Sandbox account and let's open up a customer order that's in place. So what you'll see in this one are a couple things. First of all, we have gone ahead and created an appointment for November 13th for this service job. Now, what you can do with this little icon here is you can set 3 items. First of all, the date due in. So you might want to set a date due in early enough in time, say 3 p.m. Now you'll want to set your own promise date to the customer. And as in this case, we have it at, say, the 17th. You might want to make it the 16th by, let's say, 3 p.m. So then when you go ahead and save that, you will now see in here some crucial information. First of all, here's your appointment, plus you also have now your due date in updated, as well as your promise date updated. Now the third item, which is showing here, is when this unit arrives, you want to make sure that the unit has arrived. This will now signal to the service department, namely to the assigned technician on this job, that the unit has arrived. And now you have all of your time information as well as the information knowing that this can be ready.